we have a string AB dash CD, right? So we need to reverse this, but we need to reverse only CD, sorry, D. If you reverse this DC dash BA, we only need to reverse the character, not this, right? If you see, suppose how I will show you, if you will take another example, ABC dash D, then D dash will be there and C B A, right? If you can see here, just a second, no, not like this, this should be like this, D C B and dash and A. It won't move, it will be constant, it will be constant, this will be constant, this will be like this. If you see example, this A dash BC dash DEF equal to GH J and these exclamatory sign. So exclamatory sign will remain like just constant. You can see this, these will remain constant, these won't change. What will change? Okay, only string part. J will be here, H will be here, G will be here, it will reverse. So F, D, F, E and D, then C, B, A. This is how it will be. Only reverse the character, not these things, not special character. You can see here any character in S that are not letters, for example punctuation, digit, spaces, should remain in the same index as they were in the original string. In other words, if you list out only the letters in S and reverse their order, then place them back in a string so that all the non-letter characters stay where they were. You don't need to touch these, right? Let me change the color so that I can explain it. No need to change this, its location will be fixed, it is equal, its location will be fixed, these location will be fixed. You can see I am not changing these location, only you need to change these location, these you need to reverse, right? Reverse a string you already know, yes or no? Reversing a string you already know, right? Yes or no? Why this silence? Is it a difficult question? Is it a difficult question? Yeah, sure. Okay, let me erase this, right? Okay, let me use Control Z. Reverse, only reverse letter, not a string, right? So, okay, so how I will iterate this? First of all, for loop I in S. Suppose my S string is, I'm just copying this, right? Okay, let me print this. First step is, if you don't know how to start the course, just print the input as it is. It will give you some confidence, right? Confidence of that, yeah, it's still confidence of starting the thing. The difficult thing is in machine test, sometimes you are clueless how to start, but you have to start as soon as possible. Otherwise, because they will also run a time counter, you have to finish this problem within 25 or 30 minutes, right? Now you can see we are printing each one. Now simple trick is, what I will do is I will check if you remember a string we have seen is alpha. Is alpha will identify whether it is a letter or not, right? So if this I, instead of I should use word character, right? Character means each character I will pick. If it is alpha, then I will reverse this, right? How I will reverse this? I'm taking one string, a result equals to, I'm using this as a string. Okay, use this as a string. Result equals to result plus care. Which care? Not this care. I want this last character. I want last character. I want last character. Okay, so I want last character. I want J. How I will append J on this? So what I can do is letters. I need letters, right? I need letters from this, so I can use the same function, right? Let's use same this. Now I'm using, what is this I'm using? Anyone? For list comprehension, right? So it will keep only characters. It will remove these. So every time we will add item which is from end side, right? So end side, suppose, let me run this here. Okay, right now I'm removing this plus. Okay, right now my character is, okay, if it is alpha, okay, letters, just check the letters first. What we have in letters, we have all these letters, right? So this is a list, right? So now what I can do is I can do result plus letters dot pop will give me the last item of list. Let me try this here. J, right? Next one I will run, I will get H. Next one I will run, I will get G, right? So if character is alpha, then this, else if it is not alpha, then we want this as it is, right? So what we will do is result equals to, or you can also write like this, plus equal to, right? Which will make this much more easier, right? Then I will add this character, right? Let's run this. Let's see. Okay, result. Let me print the result. What is the result? J H G, okay, equal to has changed here. Okay, no issues. Equal to has changed here. Equal to and this also changed. So I think this is a mistake here. This mistake, I have made this mistake, I think. If this should be this and this should be this. Okay, right? And here also instead of this, yeah, no, right, correct, I made a mistake there, so I updated this. Okay, right, now you can see this dash FED is reversed equals to CBA, right? It reversed. If you see, now you can try with another number, right? This number is working, right? Let's try with this another number, another input. DCBA, yeah, it is working. So I did nothing. I have just iterating each character. If I explain you, I am iterating each character, right? I am iterating each character, and if this is alphabet, then I will append the last item where from I will get from letters, right? And else I will update up if it is not alphabet, if it is some non-alpha, means some punctuation, and then I will add this as it is. I won't change its location, otherwise I am doing reverse.